Boom, hey internets. IG handles that you should be following for apparel trending for your clothing brand. Let's get into it. Jon Phenom, clothing brand mentor. I've been working professionally in apparel development for over 24 years by the time I'm shooting this. Working my way up from an apparel designer all the way to creative director and brand director of a multi-million-dollar company. Context, before we begin this, I know some people get turned off maybe by the title of this video or this topic in general. Online, there's a lot of people that have something to say. Let me say the beginning of designing, the beginning of that process is trending. So when you're working inside of an office, the first thing you need to do is curate looks. And you're communicating this to all the powers that be that want to ensure we have a good line. Now, you can define that in a couple different ways, but it needs to sell. The items that the company is going to spend time to design, make sampling, and do mass production of need to move. So before going all in and having your art department go crazy on a certain theme or concept, you need to begin with studying what is out there currently before you develop what you want to put on the table and bring out to the market. So these IG channels are just some of the ones I keep on tap, on rotation, so I can see what's going on and how people are flexing their fits. Number one is BOF Business of Fashion, and they're just not showing fits here. They're informing me about the movements in the market. Although I've worked all my career in streetwear, seeing things happen from the whole spectrum of fashion really helps me in not only my long-term movement, but in my day-to-day concepts. Hidden and why. Now, although this one has kind of gone through changes, it's pushing a little bit more of their own product, still remains a very golden resource, especially on the urban tip of how people are putting their fashion together. HypeBeast, this one is a usual suspect. HypeBeast comes from a foundational place of streetwear, but now I feel like there's a big lean on sneaker culture. There's a lot of advertorial, but that comes with the company that does so much growth and coverage. I feel like there's a slight domination with some of the big companies like Nike, Puma, Adidas. And so though you know those advertising dollars are going into the site, there's still amazing content and amazing writing being done at HypeBeast. Also HBDrops. Now this is a lot more commercial of a feed, and if you look at it in the overview, it actually looks like a catalog. Having said that, great resource to look at product photography. Hope that helps. More questions on your brand, you could drop it all down below or you could email me here. See you guys on the next one. Peace.